right, we're back with another one. So currently we're on our way to Radcliff, Kentucky, and today is September 22nd, 2023, and I figured we'd turn the camera on to show you a little bit of the views over here on I-65 South of some of the trees that are starting to change color, but you know, there's still a lot to go. I mean, even in Green Bay, Wisconsin, the trees like are starting a little bit. Up north in Crivets, they were actually starting to turn too. So we got a ways to go, but I figured I'd share with you guys. So anyway, long story short is we are on our way to show you, I'm gonna leave it at this, the world's biggest. And when we get there, you'll get to see what it is. I'm excited. I've seen pictures of it. I've seen signs on the side of the road. So we figured we'd bring you guys along to show you it. So with that, we'll show you when we get there. So you guys can enjoy the scenery for a little bit, and then we'll go from there. So we're gonna time lapse it till we get there, and then we'll go from there. So see you guys in a little bit. So we're currently making our way up to Radcliff, Kentucky. Not seeing too much change in any of the colors yet here. Again, but it's still pretty. That must be Fort Knox.
Yeah, any of the little side roads with warning, 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 and a gate across it probably end up on Fort Knox. Oh, there's a little bit of red for you on the trees.
So all this property over here, the majority of this property over to the left, to the right, I'm sorry, is a good majority of that's Fort Knox, Kentucky. So no, we've been there before. We don't need to go again. I actually did basic training there too, so. I went too far.
Yeah, I have no idea where you're going, so I don't know if you went too far or not far enough.
It's kind of cool that they, over here, this little ranch over here has registered Longhorns. Texas Longhorns at that, so.
I think it's a dead end.
turn around before we go any further because it's not down here. We gotta go back the other way. There was another, it must have been up the road a ways.
We did not GPS our location, so Jay's doing a scavenger hunt.
No. Well, that's maybe slightly true.
Yeah. We always end up somewhere.
It'd have been cool to see the little Texas Longhorns out.
Girls see them.
All probably back in the woods. Oh, somebody broke that fence. Perfect. I was gonna go back out to the main highway, but this is bringing me out over here, so this is cool.
I don't know.
It's all good. We'll find our way. What is down here? There's what I was looking for. Not a thorough street.
Not a through street.
Oh, what did I say? That right there.
That looks like a big rusty knife.
I kind of was thinking the same thing.
Cut anything. Maybe it's just the way the sun is.
I don't know.
From here it looks rusty. Biggest knife from the backside. Front probably looks the same. They had a parking lot right in front of it.
There's one right here.
Very cool, and some kind of lights and justice on that stage set
up. All right, so this is Red Hill Cutlery, and this is Kentucky's world's biggest pocket knife. So the blade is apparently 17 feet. Which is huge, and apparently it does actually close. They can use a crane to open it and shut it. I did not know that until I actually did a little bit of research, but look at that. That is really cool. So this is the world's biggest pocket knife at over 6,200 pounds. That is really cool. When you're driving up here, it actually looks like it was rusted on the back, and up here it looks really nice, but that is really cool. Very neat. That is really neat. Oh, I like that. Clouds finally shaded in. So, very cool. So again, that's here in Radcliff, Kentucky, next to actually Boundary Oaks Distillery, which is right next door. So again, that's where you can see that. Again, world's biggest pocket knife. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. You guys take care.